Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. In this video 8, we are going to learn how to use drop-down list in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see here my question and your answer. So in this field, we want drop-down. So we can see here the question is, which is your favorite month? So I need the answer so I can easily select the month. So for that, first of all, I will go to my data tab and then we will go here in data tools and search for here data validation. You can move the circle and see the data validation text. So I will click here in drop down and you can see here data validation. I'll just click here and here in this allow you can see any value. So I'll drop down this and select list. So I will make a list of the months so you can easily select. So for now I will choose the source. So for now, for example, I will select Jan, Feb, March. So this is manual case. So for now example I'm showing this, I will click OK. When I click OK, you can see one drop down is list is shown here. If I click this, you can see only the Jan and month. So I need the 12 months. So in hard code it can take so much time. So for easy way, I will create one sheet here and you can see I will write Jan, Feb, heater, and then I will select this two cell and drag till you can see December. I'll drag it here and you can see my 12 month name is senior. So now what I do is I'll go here and again I'll go to this data view and then the data validation and I will delete this source and I will go to that sheet and select the range, which range will be shown in drop down. So I'll select from this A to A12 and you can see all are fixed and I will click here OK. Now I will click here and you can see my drop down is shown as I mentioned in the source. So you can see January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. You can select any one and if I select this copy and paste it anywhere, you can see in every cell my drop down is shown. So in this way you can do. So you can see another example. There is no any, and for now this is drop down for month. But for this answer question, are you going on a holiday this year? So I need yes and no. So in simply you can choose from here. Also you can create yes, no. I will go to here and then data view. I'll select the cell in which cell I want that drop down and then go to data view and then data validation and then list, and in source I will select this two cell and hit OK. And now you can see my drop down is working perfectly. So in this way you can do, even you can change the data source. If I want yes, no, or I don't know. So now if I go here and select a drop down, we will see only two, but I need one additional which I have just updated there. So for now I will go to, I have to change the range. So I will go to data validation and in source I will again go to, I will delete this and select these three rows and hit OK. And that's okay. Now you can see yes, no, I don't know. The data validation is working fine. So in this way you can edit drop down list, and I hope you like this video and it's helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more tips and tricks in this Excel series. So thank you so much.